your jacket. Like, I don't want it to burn.
No, I didn't touch it, you did.
Good morning, guys. It's early and it's smoky.
We are in Olympic National Park. We did circumnavigation around the park on the south side yesterday. It was a once in a lifetime opportunity because we won't do it again.
And now we're here at Hurricane Ridge making a coffee. Let's go. Olympic National Park, extremely smoky, but we're still gonna get out here and go on a run and try to find some views through the smoke. Let's do it! So, Olympic National Park, way out there on the Olympic Peninsula, somewhere that I've never been, somewhere I've always really wanted to go. We have a friend.
I don't know how, don't know why, but I'll be toasting all my life.
So stoked, we just got a drone. This is our first time trying it out. I don't know if it's the best thing to do to try out your drone for the first time way out in the middle of nowhere. This is the DJI Mavic Air.
My rock's sweeter to meet the one I love.
Starting out the trail with that much smoke was definitely a new experience for me, but as we just kept going, we realized it really wasn't that bad. And we still were able to see so much beauty all around us.
Oh, it's sweeter the first time around. Oh.
All the animals and flowers along the trail were just so fun and so pretty that we had a lot of fun just from the beginning. See, we hike sometimes too. It's not about speed, it's not about running, it's about being out here. That's the truth, you guys. So not only does this park have snow-capped mountains, but it also has one of the world's most beautiful and diverse rainforests.
And then taking the ferry to go back to Seattle and head out to the Cascades. That was the end of this adventure in the Olympic National Park, and we were excited about the next adventure.
Don't know how and don't know why, but I'll be toasting all my life.